Hello ladies and gents, welcome back to Damon Does It. Today's going to be part 2 of our rust repair on clothes wash. Part 1 we focused on the dispenser area. Off camera we worked in this area. Here's the area that needs work still. Taking our 220 grit. Yours may not look like this, but I believe I had a fabric softener spill, judging by the tackiness. Now remember, at a later date we're going to be removing this face. We're just doing the areas we can access for now. Cleaning with some 91% alcohol. Following up with the dry cloth. Change of plans, we're going to use this Rust-Oleum Clean Metal Primer. Followed by Rust-Oleum Gloss White. Ideally, we would take this outside, but we'll do that at some other point. I don't know how many people are going to load this 150-pound thing outside. So what we're going to do is take some cardboard, some painter's tape, and rig up a little box. I'll be doing that off camera. Okay, we have some packing paper. My best step here would be to have the paper and the tape pre-cut, and use small sections of paper. Don't try to wrap everything at once.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain.
We want to be sure to cover the door.
I know this pain, but hitting bottom is the only way.
We have our door covered, as well as our dispenser.
You keep struggling, bitch, I'm humbling. Keep mumbling,
Remember,
keep doubling. You keep bluffing, you've got nothing. I'll keep
now with better prep work comes less cleanup. It's always a good idea to clean your tip nozzle here with some alcohol. Remember, dirty tip gets no love. The space is going to clean you in here, so you're not going to see everything. I'm doing light coats.
I've had a taste of evil and tried to kill it, but I just keep my head down and focus on the facts. I'm setting down gravel while you just follow the path. I'll lead them into battle while you just consider that. Right in my back, so I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling, bitch, I'm humbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing, you've got nothing. I'll keep hustling.
Okay, we're going to allow that to dry. Let's help speed things up. The heat gun. While we're waiting for it to dry, we're going to oil this down using some light CLP. I reviewed this. It's $90 a gallon. And these are called Swabits. course, being careful not to get it on your paint. Of course, being careful not to get it on your paint below. We're getting in these crevices here. Where the face meets this panel. That oil is going to help future rust prevention. If I didn't mention this before, you shake your can up for 2 minutes. I don't care what the back says. Also, you can warm it up in the sun. Apply some heat to our second coat of primer. Our second coat of primer is dried. Now we're going to do number 3. And that's it for part 2. Be sure to visit my channel and check out my full-length videos.